Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is official public notice released by the University Grants Commission, which is very important notice to all the universities, institutions and to the faculty members also. And now we will see this notice guys, content of this one. So it is released on October month 2020. The subject is implementation of reservation policy of the government in universities deemed to be universities, colleges and other grant in aid institution and centers. Okay, and coming to the body of this notice, as you are aware that the University Grants Commission is continuously monitoring the progress of implementation of reservation policy for the SC, ST, OBC, EWS and persons with disabilities in teaching and non-teaching posts as well as admission to all level courses in universities and the colleges. That means here the University Grants Commission is monitoring very clearly whether the universities or the affiliated colleges are exactly following the central government norms, okay, or exactly following the norms of the government in the process of recruiting the faculty members on the basis of the reservation policy, and are they taking the admissions on the basis of the reservation policy or not. So it is a notice belongs to that issue. And according to the Act UGC Act 1956, the UGC has to ensure effective implementation of the reservation policy in universities and institutions receiving aid from the public funds except in minority institutions under Article 30 of 1 of the Constitution. So all centrally funded universities or colleges or institutions are required to ensure strict compliance of Government of India orders or rules on the reservation in their institutions. State universities, including its affiliated or the constituent colleges and other institutes functioning within the state, should follow the percentage of the reservation for the SC, ST and OBC as prescribed by the concerned state government. Fine. And here you are requested to display the reservation roster, which is to be updated at regular intervals on your website as per the instructions issued by the Government of India, Department of Personnel and Training, New Delhi. And you are requested to fill up the remaining backlog identified reserved vacancies of these categories in teaching and non-teaching posts, to furnish a report along with statistical information in respect of teaching and non-teaching, as well as admissions to all level courses and hostel accommodations during the 2020-21 as per the prescribed format. So here the prescribed format is given here by the University Grants Commission. Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Assistant Professor, Associate Professor and Professor, and the admissions of the different courses, whether all the colleges or universities are following the reservation policies as per the Government of India or not. Okay, and here the backlog vacancies are also requested by the UGC to the universities or the colleges to fill up here based upon the caste categories. Fine. So these are all the details provided in the latest public notice of the University Grants Commissions, guys. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay. So apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.